Yeah, little Vicky on the block, selling every rock with the Glock on with ops. Pop, pop. Okay, now that I've showcased my freestyling talents, I should be signed somewhere, Epic, you know, Sony, anybody, whatever. We're going to just jump right into this look. If you're old, thank you so much for coming back, guys. If you're new, please subscribe and like. Okay, so I'm going in and I'm just touching up my brows with my dip brow from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I still have on my brows from last night. Do not judge me. I typically wash my face, but it obviously was a long night. Now I'm going in with LA Girl Pro Concealer. I used light ivory for underneath my brows and medium beige for the top part of my brows. I'm just going to go in with a damp beauty blender and buff that out. Next, onto my LA Girl Pro Prep, which is my primer. I'm going to put a dab of that in my finger and smooth it over my face. And of course, I can't forget my Lush Honey Lip Scrub. I use that right before I do my makeup, and I just follow up with MAC Prep and Prime to make sure my lips are moisturized. After my brows are looking right, I'm going in with light ivory and Pro Concealer, smoothing that over my eyelid and putting a little Airspun on top of that and using my concealer brush to smooth all of that out. So now I'm going in with Soft Brown by MAC. I use that as my transition color first, and I followed up with that with the color Texture, also by MAC, and my crease. Now I'm going in on my outer corners with Deep Damson, also by MAC. Really? Okay. Okay, now that my 5-year-old is done, I'm going in with the 2 darkest purples on my BH Cosmetics Modern Eye Palette. I'm just using it on the outer corners. Really? I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Light Ivory to create sort of a white base, to follow up with that Nude palette in the color Giggle. And then I'm going to put the color Fetish in between that MAC Purple and the Giggle, just to transition them all together. So I've already went in with my LA Girl orange corrector and applied it to the dark spots on my face. Now I'm using my Wet n Wild and Caramel, and I'm just going to buff that out. To contour, I'm using my Wet n Wild and Call Me Maple, and also my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fudge. Now I'm going in with my black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just going to bring some warmth back to my face. Now to set my face, I'm going in with my Airspun, and my beauty blender is damp just so it can smooth off onto my face. Now I'm using my smudge brush to add that deep damson to my lower lash line. Going in with my LA Girl loose powder, I'm just adding it to the top of my lace. I did make this wig, y'all. I'm so proud of it. It's so cute. Now I'm asking Keith, should I do a middle part or a side part? Of course he said side, so we're going with side. So I picked up these earrings with the outfit, and I thought I was going to like them, but I didn't. So I'm going with my dollar hair store hoops. They always come in handy. And I'm adding some highlight to the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose and the top of my lip. I've already added a burgundy liner. Now I'm just going in with lip lingerie and cashmere. And that's the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and tune in next week for more.